Hello smart business owners and marketers. In this video we will discuss about how to filter the internal traffic from your Google Analytics for reporting dashboard. Actually, why we need to filter this internal traffic. Maybe you have multiple teams working in the paid advertisement effort or organic on different purposes. So if you include all of this internal traffic in your reporting dashboard, then the report may be affected and your performance may be saturated. That's why sometimes the business owners or marketers want to filter the, then you can define internal traffic. So click on it, then create. So you need to create a rule. So I will keep the name internal traffic. Then you mesh type you see. So IP addresses equals, yeah, and IP addresses begin with, IP addresses end with, IP address contains or IP address is in the range, CDR notation. So all of these terms you can apply here. So I will just put it IP address equals. So if I go to Gemini and ask my IP address, then I got this IP address, I copy it, put it here, and create. You see, so my internal traffic, that means from now on in this reporting dashboard, uh, Google Analytics 4 will exclude all the traffic that are coming from this IP addresses. So this is the way you can have a more conditions. If you go again and show you, so you can do it with IP addresses begin with or IP addresses ends with, or in a address, so whatever is actually convenient for you. So you can create the rules here. And another one topic here I want to discuss is the list unwanted referrals. You can see, just define internal traffic, and below this click on it. So sometime you may think that sometime some websites you are not used as a referrals. If you don't know about what called referral, then I will show you something. Maybe you can consider a point here. You see, this is a test website for my website, and here I create a backlink. So if I click on it, this outbound link, then I can go to my another business, that is Mark Digital. And actually this backlink, this cprofession.myshopify.com is the referral for this traffic that is landed on this business. So this is called a referral. Okay, so sometime maybe you don't want to consider some domains as a referral, and you need to just exclude it from excluded. So you can come here. So referral domains, here also have mesh type, different mesh types, just like as internal traffic. So I will just referral domain contains. So if I copy this domain, put it here, and then save. So that means this domain will not be considered as a referral domain under this Google Analytics 4 dashboard. So I think this too is very important in some conditions, and this video will help you to understand. So if you like my video, please subscribe me. I will share new videos on more advanced topics. So right now, thank you.